I've already walked 3,321 steps today.
Dr. Michael Gardam is stepping into action. The infectious disease expert ditched his regular office desk 2 months ago and got one of these.
I found by the end of the day my back was bothering me. I just felt blah all day. And I finally decided, you know what, this is nuts. Why don't I do something about it and actually try out a treadmill desk?
Gardam is taking it to the extreme, but according to the Sun Life Buffett National Wellness Survey, active employees are likely to be more productive and less stressed.
What we're seeing this year for the first time is that employers are actually identifying sedentary lifestyles as the major concern, which is lining up now with stress.
The treadmill desk may not be practical in your work environment, but there are other things you can do to keep fit and healthy.
So if you're taking the subway, I typically get off several stops ahead so that I can walk to work to get on my treadmill to walk some more.
At work, try to get up from your seat and stretch.
These numbers are looking really good.
Plan a walking meeting instead of a sit down. And don't forget to eat healthy.
Making sure you get enough water. So have that water bottle on your desk, fill it up throughout the day. You know, keep a bowl of fruit, for example, on your desk.
Promoting a healthy workplace also benefits the employer. It boosts morale and prevents absenteeism. The study suggests a bit of exercise goes a long way, and you should always take advantage of the wellness programs offered by your employer. Busting out of the cubicle, I'm Stella Quisto, City News.